be a combination of vertex and a standard form. I already made your quiz. I think I want to say it's 6 questions. I could be wrong.
You're gonna need more too.
I got a bunch more. Yeah, it's 6 questions and then there's 1 extra credit. Okay, so you can take notes if you need to. If you don't, then don't. Okay, so the very first one, is it in standard form or vertex form? It's in vertex form. How can you tell if it's in vertex form? It's got parentheses. Guys, get off your phones. I don't know what you're doing. You thought that was what we're doing today, because we're not. Okay, so it's in vertex form. Okay, so what is the vertex?
2 and 4.
2 and 4. Okay, we do the opposite on the inside, and then we keep the outside the same. So the vertex is 2, 4. Okay, so we can plot that 2, 4. And does this graph open up or down?
Down.
How can you tell that it opens down? Because of the negative out front. Okay, that tells you that it opens down, and so that kind of gives you. But there's a number out front. So how do we figure out the next point? So we're going to say, normally, you're kind of right, Sam, so you say down 1 over 1, and then you would go 4 over 2. But because there's a number out front, we got to multiply. So times 2 times 2. So you got 2 over 1 and 8 over 2. Okay, so we go down 2 over 1. And we go down 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 over 2. Okay, and then it's just a matter of filling out the bottom part. So what is the vertex?
2 and 4.
2, 4. Axis of symmetry. X equals 2. X-intercept. 0.5 and 3.5. Okay, y-intercepts. -4. Min or a max? Max. Solutions. 3.5. And describe the graph. Up 4, not right 1. Up 4, right 2. Opens down. Okay, here's what I'm going to tell you about the slope. It is equivalent to say slope of -2 and not right opens down. Okay, because a slope of -2 means that it opens down because you put the negative. So either put a slope of 2 and opens down, or just put a slope of -2. Okay, but you don't need both. If you put both, that's okay, but it's just kind of like you're repeating yourself, so to speak. Okay, look at number 2. Normally I do all the odds, I'm not today, because I want to do number 2, but okay, look at number 2. Is this standard form or vertex form? It's vertex form. Okay, and so vertex form, what do we find first? What'd you say? What form is this?
You said vertex.
It's standard form.
You said constrained base.
Oh wait, isn't it the mommy and daddy graph?
It's not the mommy and daddy graph, okay? The mommy and daddy graph is just x squared. Okay, what this is saying is, and you could fill it out the rest of the way, there's really a plus 0x, a plus 0. Okay, because it goes ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay, and so our b is 0 and our c is 0. What is our a?
2.
2. Okay, so it's still for standard form. So we got negative, what's the formula? Negative b over 2a. Okay, so we got negative, what's our b? Nothing, so it's a 0. Over 2, and our a is what? 2. Okay, so when you type that in, what are you going to get? you're gonna get a 0. Okay, so on our XY chart, the first one is 0. Okay, if you plug in 0 into the equation above, what are you gonna get? 0. Okay, so the vertex is gonna be at 0, 0. Okay, and we pick 2 more points. What do you want to pick?
1 and 2.
1 and 2. If you plug 1 in there, what are you gonna get?
That's a lot of work for one number.
Zero.
Huh?
You're gonna get 0, aren't you?
No. Get your calculator. What are you doing? Oh, you guys don't. There's some up here. I want a phone. Come on, man. Put it in there and get your calculator.
Oh, nice.
Okay, so if we plug in 1 in there, what is 1 squared?
2.
Yeah, you're gonna get a 2. And 1 squared is 1 times the 2 out front is 2. If you plug a 2 in there, what are you gonna get? No, type it in your calculator. I got all day. I'm not going anywhere. Figure out the street.
4.
Nope, you didn't type it in. You just got no numbers for it. You're gonna type in 2 parentheses 2 because that's our number on our chart. Close your parentheses squared.
8.
Should be 8. Okay, and so now we're ready to plot. We can plot at 0, 0, 1, 2, and 2, 8. We can mirror that over.
That's what I did too,
Good.
without all the work.
So normally for one of them I put a mommy and daddy graph, and so it kind of is, but I just put a number up front. Okay, so what is the vertex? 0, 0. Axis of symmetry.
X equals 0.
X equals 0. X-intercept.
0, 0.
0, Y-intercept.
0.
Min or max.
And
Solutions.
0.
0. Description.
No move.
It didn't move, but there's something did change from the mom and dad. Huh?
Right 2.
No. It has a slope of 2. Okay, on any of these problems, if A is anything other than 1, the very first number up front, that's the slope. Okay? How's that?
You want to put open
That's just confusing.
You can, but all of the mom and dads open it up. But you can, like, if it makes you feel some type of way, put it on there. It's certainly not wrong. Okay, look at 3. Is this standard or vertex form? It's standard form. Okay, there's no parentheses. It's standard form. So we need to find the vertex first. What's the formula? Negative b over 2a. Okay, what is our b? Negative 8 over 2, and our a is what? 1. Okay, type that in. See what you get. 4. Okay, and then we pick 2 more numbers.
6.
5, 6. Okay, and then start plugging it in.
Three.
3. Somebody agree?
Yeah.
5,
4.
4, 6,
7.
7. Okay, so we got 4, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7. Okay, what's the vertex?
4 and 3.
4, 3. Axis of symmetry.
X equals 4.
X equals 4. X-intercept.
9.
None. Y-intercept.
9.
Min or max. Solutions.
9.
Description.
Up to right 2. Or up to right 1.
Up to right what?
4.
Up 3. And is there anything else? It opens up and there's no slope. So that's good.